We are here today to do a celebration, and there is no any other better way to start the celebrations by thanking God and returning honor and glory to Him in a church service where we are appreciating and thanking God that He was able to make us sail through in the just concluded elections for the male representative of the Judicial Service Commission, and where we were able to get our very own Omanzo Mbati, and there is no any other better way of celebrating it than to bring it to start it from home, because if we were to hold it elsewhere, this good huge congregation that has attended this ceremony would have been disadvantaged, because it's only maybe close family members who could have been able to travel, and it is a good thing that it has happened today. It has happened in his village. This is his school. This is his actually his grandfather, great grandfather is the one who gave this land for this school to be erected. So we are here to first thank the Almighty, second to appreciate that charity begins from home, so that the people can also be able to know that one of their own is now a national figure, not the Nyambaria villager who he was before, but a national figure. The other thing that I need to mention is that we as the Law Society of Kenya expect that once he gets to the office, he's going to serve not the people from this region, but generally in the entire republic. He's going to represent the interests of the Law Society of Kenya in the Judicial Service Commission. The Judicial Service Commission is that entity that speaks, that employs the judicial officers and the assistants, court assistants and everything, and all those officers that work under it, and it is a huge responsibility that has been put on his shoulders. In fact, his vote is the one that is going to put a judge into place, the chief justice into place, and magistrates and the other court assistants and any other judicial officer is going to be employed by the Judicial Service Commission. They also punish. They also conduct disciplinary courses, and I'm sure Omanzo Mbati is equal to the task, and we are happy about him, and we're very, very happy about the reception that we received from this area, and let's all pray for him so that he can execute his mandate in the office for the 5 years that he's going to be there. He's going to work it out and give us the results that the Law Society of Kenya desires. Thank you.
Omwansa ambalo limenileta huku, nafasi ya commissioner wa JSC ni nafasi ambayo ni muhimu zaidi. JSC ni kitengo kimetengenezwa na katiba ya Kenya. Katiba ile inasema kwamba ile JSC itachaguliwa mwanamume mmoja na mwanamke mmoja kutoka JSC. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa kusherekea na kushangilia ushindi wa Omwansa ambaye aliwabwaga washindani watatu. Aliweza kuzoa kura za kutosha kuingia pale. Tunangojea siku ambayo ataapishwa, na vile mnavyoona umati wa mawakili, majaji, mahakimu, wale maprosecutor, wale state council, pembe zote za sheria ziko hapa kushukuru, na tunamwombea asonge mbele salama.